In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to GoDaddy login. If you're new to GoDaddy or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect so you can access your account quickly and securely. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the GoDaddy homepage. On the top right corner of the site, you'll see the Sign In option. Click Sign In to open the account panel. Depending on your screen size or region, this may appear in a drop-down or a dedicated page, but it's always in the same general area at the top. Next, click Sign In again to proceed to the secure login screen. This second click confirms that you want to access your account and brings up the fields where you'll enter your details. On the login form, you can manually enter your email address and your password. Take a moment to double-check the email spelling and make sure caps lock isn't on for the password. If you have a customer number or username associated with the account, those work as well, but email is the most common. Some browsers offer to autofill your credentials. Use that only on a trusted device. When everything looks correct, select Continue or Sign In on the form to proceed. If you use two-step verification on your account, you'll be prompted to approve the sign-in. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be taken back to your account. Alternatively, you can sign in with Google. On the same login screen, click the Google option. A small window will appear asking you to choose the Google account you want to use. Pick the account that's linked to your GoDaddy profile, complete any quick prompts, and you'll be securely signed in without typing your password directly on GoDaddy. This is helpful if you prefer single sign-on and reduces typing errors. After you're signed in, you'll land on your GoDaddy account dashboard, where you can manage domains, renew products, and access billing. If you're on a shared or public computer, remember to sign out when you're finished to keep your account safe. For convenience, consider bookmarking the login page, and keep your browser and password manager up to date for smoother logins in the future. That's it! Now you know the quickest ways to log into GoDaddy, either with your email and password or with Google. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.